Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are fine. Today our new topic is introduction of sound. And before I introduce phonics to you, first of all I introduce sound. That why the introduction of sound is important. The objective behind this is that we give the concept to our child that everything around us makes or has a sound. For example, the opening and closing of the door. For example, the dropping sound of different materials on the floor. This is plastic. This is a wooden block. And this is a nail cutter. All these three objects have different sounds. For example, when we pour water in another glass, this is the sound of water. For example,